Get ready with me to go to a binyag and birthday. The first step I do is to spot conceal using Get Ready With Me in the shade Sienna. Using Maybelline Build a Brow, ayan, ginagamit ko siya the shade number 3. Very beginner friendly talaga yan and very pigmented. Ayan, napaka-long lasting yan at sobrang holy grail ko talaga itong eyebrows na to. Ayan. And let's blend the concealer that we put it in earlier. Ayan, at naglagay ulit tayo ng concealer sa ating mga areas kung saan kailangan ko pa ng coverage. Blend and blend, tap tap tap. Ayan, sa lahat ng crevices ng ating mukha. Next, we use the Toast from Squad Cosmetics. Ayan yung kanilang bronzer. Gumagamit talaga ako ng bronzer because feeling ko talaga mukha kong anemic pag wala akong ganyan. Ayan, so blend, blend, blend with the brush. Ayan, so that seamless ang pagkakablend. Look at that left. Ayan, syempre di natin kakalimutan ng ating ilong para mas lalong tumangos. Diba? Ayan, next is Vice Cosmetics Liquid Blush. The shade Always Giving. Ayan, nilalagay ko yan sa aking high points of the cheek. Ayan, and using my hands to blend properly. And then, let's set it with powder using the Get Ready With Me setting powder, the Makeup Blush. After that, let's use this EB Pro palette. I'm using their pastel colors na blush. Ayan, bagay na bagay yan for all skin tones. Ayan, and then let's use the mascara from ZZ. Ayan, I'll be back. Ayan, ilalagay na, diba? Ayan, and then for my lips, I have these two, the Maybelline Teddy Tint and the Beauty Glaze Lip Oil. Ayan. Parang lang shining, shimmering ating lips. And then the last one is the Pulpic Setting Spray. And that's it. See you all next time. Bye!